In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a Google site by changing ownership from one Google account to another. Whether you've created a website for a project, business, or personal use and now need to pass the torch to someone else, this process is straightforward. Let's walk through it together. First, you'll want to navigate to your Google Sites homepage. Simply open your web browser and go to sites.google.com. Once there, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account where your site currently resides. This is crucial because Google Sites is tied to your specific account, and you'll need access to it for this transfer process. Now locate the site you wish to transfer. You can do this by scanning through the list of your sites on the home page. Click on the site to open it. You'll see your familiar site editing and details displayed here. It's important to verify you've selected the correct site. To avoid transferring the wrong one, once the site is open, look for the Share button. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the toolbar. Click it and a sharing window will appear on your screen. This window might be familiar if you've ever shared Google Docs, as it functions quite similarly. In the sharing window, you'll see a field to invite people. Here, enter the email address of the new owner, the person you wish to transfer the site to. As you type, suggestions from your contacts might pop up. Ensure you select the correct email address from the suggestions list, or manually type in the full email address to avoid mistakes. After entering the email, you'll notice a drop-down menu next to the email field. This menu is your key to transferring ownership. Click the drop-down menu and select the editor option. This grants the invited user editing privileges. Then to finalize the ownership transfer, make sure you also click on the Make Owner option. By selecting Make Owner, you're giving them complete and total control over the site, including the ability to manage invites and make further owner changes if needed. Once you're sure everything looks good, go ahead and hit the Send button. This action will trigger an email to the recipient notifying them about their new role as owner of the site. They'll then need to accept this invitation, which finalizes the transfer process. It's always good practice to inform the new owner about this transfer so they're expecting the email. That way they can promptly accept it, ensuring a smooth transition. And that's it, you've successfully transferred ownership of your Google site, making it ready for the new owner to manage and maintain. If everything has gone smoothly, congratulations, you've just learned to seamlessly transfer ownership on Google Sites. Remember to log out of your account once you're finished, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.